Hello everyone, my name is Bhavyashree BK. I am from first year Computer Science and Engineering. My startup company name is Baby Innovation and product name is Boat and product proposed name is SmartWave. And first stage is empathizing, mentioning some of the requirements and feelings about the product as said by the customers during the empathizing activity. First one using solar panel, second one using road wheel, third one using transparent hull. And next stage is define based on the empathizing stage and considering the feelings and requirements of customers. Many new features are added to the existing product. So existing product name is boat and futuristic product name is SmartWave. And next stage is ideate. Some of the additional features to be added are mentioned here: transparent hull, road wheels, landing gears, solar panel, propeller, and chain. And next stage is prototype. In prototype stage, the real working model has to be manufactured. Due to time constraint, the mentor advised to draw a sketch. The sketch is given below. And the last stage is testing. I request the viewers of this presentation video to comment your opinion to satisfy the testing stage. Thank you.